guys, I'm trying to film a hair tutorial on how I style my hair naturally curly because all of my friends and family keep asking. So I followed something called the Curly Girl Method, which I've been doing for about 6 months now. And someone from my baby group introduced me to it, so thanks for that. Yeah, so it's just having your hair being super healthy, and I do what's called co-washing, so no shampoo and no sulfates or silicones and a few other bad ingredients for your hair. So in the shower, instead of shampooing, I use this conditioner, which is Tresemme Undone Waves. And I just pretty much use it like shampoo, where I just put it on my head, scrub with my hands, and clean my hair with that. So I didn't put that in the video because it's pretty basic. So I just do that. So this is my hair like pretty wet out of the shower. It's dried a tiny bit. So the next thing I do to style my hair is this Tresemme Botanique Nourish and Replenish. It's a hydration mask, but I just use it as a leave-in conditioner because I have a hard time finding Curly Girl approved leave-ins. So just a tiny bit of that. And I'm going to smooth that through my hair while it's wet. And I lose like tons of hair this way, but it's all natural. My hair is pretty healthy right now from doing this for about 6 months, not using heat or shampoo. So I just have some of that through my hair. The next thing I'm going to do is take Cantu Curl Activator cream. This stuff's really thick. Just take about that much. And also smooth that through my hair. Oops. I'm awkwardly crouched over on my bathroom floor because I don't have a tripod for my phone camera. My GoPro's dead. So just put that through my hair. And this is all with my hair really, really wet. Alright. The next thing I use is this Creme of Nature with argan oil from Morocco Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. So these are all like Curly Girl approved products with none of the bad stuff. That's half the reason I wanted to make these videos, is because when I was watching on YouTube, when I first started looking for Curly Girl videos, I kept finding them, but the products that they were using weren't actually Curly Girl approved products. Like they all still had silicones and stuff in it. So I had a hard time finding products for myself based off those videos, since I follow it pretty strictly. Okay, so just getting that mousse in my hair, and it makes my hair pretty damp again. Okay, so let's see if I can hunch over so I can get upside down with my hair. I might put a little bit more of this mousse and then start scrunching my hair to get the curls to form. And I find the mousse really gets it all to clump together to give me like thicker curls, I guess. So it seems like a lot of stuff that I'm putting in my hair, but compared to what I've seen other people do that follow the Curly Girl method, this isn't really that much product. I'm just upside down scrunching all that stuff in my damp hair. Sometimes I like scrunch all the stuff in as like I'm applying it, but I find that breaks up these pieces a lot and I get really stringy ones. So I don't scrunch everything in. Okay, now that my head is coated, I'm going to take a t-shirt, I think this is cotton, and just squeeze out some of the extra moisture and product. I hope you guys can't see down my shirt. I'm not used to filming videos anymore. I haven't done anything since October. But when everyone asks me what I do to my hair, it's like way too long to explain, not in video form. the last product I have is this Garnier Pure Clean Gel. You take heaps full of that. That's one of 3. And scrunch that into my hair as well. And curly girl method is a lot of work at first, but now I find it's very easy for me. Like, I only spend about 5 minutes out of the shower styling my hair, an hour maybe to dry if I let it air dry, and then I'm done. When I used to straighten my hair, it would take me like an hour and a half just to straighten it. More gel. This was the wrong shirt to wear. Okay, I think I got enough gel. I got a lot of stuff in my hair right now. So now I'm just going to try to let it part itself naturally. And then it looks crazy like this, and I'm just going to let it air dry a bit until the gel starts getting hard, and then I will film what happens after. Okay, so now my hair is starting to dry, and the gel has made it like really hard. Even though it looks like it's soaking wet, it's just the gel making it have that wet look. So now I'm going to diffuse my hair a bit until it's almost dry. You need to wait until the gel makes your hair hard, otherwise you'll get like major frizz when you move your hair around and it's still wet. So you have to wait until it's a bit hard. So you do have to air dry a little bit. You can, like, I have diffused my hair from soaking wet, but the curls will be like super frizzy if you do. It just, I guess, depends how much time you have. And sometimes if I do have a lot of time, then I'll just let my hair air dry and then style it after. But I'm going to diffuse it today because the kids are napping. They might wake up soon. So I just do it on like the lowest heat setting, which is like it's barely even warm, so it's like not damaging. And then just the lowest like strength. Just upside down and just scrunch it up. And then just doing that around my whole head until it is pretty much almost dry. So I'll just save you guys from that boringness and just finish that up, and I'll show you what my hair looks like when it's almost done. Okay, so still looking the same, but this is diffused till about 95% dry. No matter what I do, when it still has that hard gel feeling, my hair will still be like wet inside. So I have to break the cast of the gel, so scrunch out the hardness of the gel, and then diffuse my hair a little bit more, and then I will have some soft, bouncy curls and look less like Medusa. So to break the gel, I turn my hair upside down. Let me just tuck that in. And scrunch out the hardness of the gel. Just scrunch, 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 scrunch. And just keep doing that until your hair becomes softer. So I'm just going to, this takes like a while for mine because I have a lot of gel in right now. So I'm just going to finish doing that, and then one more round of diffusing. And then I'll show you what my finished hair looks like. Okay, so almost done scrunching. As you can see, once you scrunch out the hardness of that gel, it makes your hair look like it's actually dry and not wet. Almost done. And then you get your big, bouncy, voluminous curls. I really have to diffuse if I want volume. If I air dry my hair, my curls will be a lot like tighter curls, but it won't be as much volume. Okay, so it feels all dry now. Flip it over, and then try to sort my part out. I got a bit of frizz on top, but nothing too bad. There's a couple parts. The back, I don't know, my curls don't know which side they want to go on. The back. There's a tiny bit of frizz there. Well, anyways, so there you have it. Now you can see bouncy, soft curls. My hair's a little bit wild today. It always turns out different, like every time. Close to the same, but some days will be more curly, some days less curly. But anyways, hope you can see. And then this side always has little ringlets and stuff, and some pieces that are not so curly. But yeah, there you have it. So that's how I style my hair naturally curly for the most part, following the curly girl method. So I hope this helps some of you guys out understanding what I do to my hair. Or it makes me look like a crazy person putting that much stuff in my hair. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching.